Yes, welcome. Today we are going to be learning about the chemistry theory and approach to simplifying difficult comprehension passages. An approach to do what? Simplifying what? Difficult comprehension what? Passages. In our previous class, we learned about what comprehension is all about, and we say that comprehension simply means the ability to do what? Understand a passage that you've done what? Read. Your ability to understand it in order to interpret it by what? Answering the following what? Questions, isn't it? Then we went on to learn about the ways through which you can get a comprehension passage. We say there are two sources, isn't it? You have the original source, when you write from your experience or from what is happening. Original source. Then the second source is what we call what? Adaptation. When you write from what somebody has written before, isn't it? Or from a textbook, that is adaptation. And this adaptation could be what? Full or what? Partial. If you copy some, then you talk about partial. If you take the full, talk about what? Full. Then we looked at ways of reading comprehension. Ways of reading comprehension. We said the first one, we talked about skimming. When you read very fast without paying attention to detail, we call it what? Skimming. Then when you read fast but at the same time paying attention to detail, we call it what? Scanning. Isn't it? Then we now went on to learn about the theories used in simplifying difficult comprehension passages, isn't it? And we say there are three theories. The chemistry theory, number one, the psychoanalytic theory, number two, and the what? Cause and effect theory. Today we are going to be learning about the first one, which is the what? Chemistry theory. Which is the what? Chemistry theory. As the name implies, chemistry theory uses the same principle as what? Chemistry. You know chemistry as a subject which studies what? Elements, the behaviors of elements. Isn't it? So in chemistry theory, we see comprehension passage as what? Chemistry. And we study the elements of the what? Comprehension passage. And we say that there are different elements of comprehension passage. The different elements in chemistry are things like what? Potassium, sodium, chlorine, is it not? There are elements in chemistry. But in comprehension passage, under chemistry theory, we have the elements in comprehension passage to be what? The subject matter, theme, lexical items, and what? Extra grammatical items. Those are the elements of a comprehension passage. Is that clear? The elements of every comprehension passage that you see in JAM or in any examination are what? Subject matter 1, theme 2, lexical items 3, and what? Extra grammatical structures. We say that subject matter is what? Is what the passage discusses or the story being told in the passage. The subject matter is the what? The story, the main idea. The subject matter, the story, the passage discusses. The story the passage tells. That is the what? Subject matter. Then what is the theme of a passage? Any passage. The theme is what? The main lesson which the subject matter teaches. You understand? The lesson you learn from that passage, that's the theme. And we say that the lexical items are the words. When you are reading a passage, there are some words that are difficult. You understand? They could be registers, words from medical line. When do you hear diagnosis in medicine? What does it mean? What does diagnosis mean in medicine? It means test. Instead of saying go and do test, you say go and do what? Diagnosis. You want to diagnose the problem you're having. You understand? That is the lexical word. It is a register for medical people. When you say the appellant or affidavit, which people use such word? Affidavit. The defense suing. Which people use such word? The judiciary. People in the law court. You understand? When you hear magistrate court, magistrate, all those things are registered. They are lexical items from that field. Is that clear? So you should be able to identify such when you are reading a passage. You should also be able to identify the difficult words in a passage. It will help you to answer such questions. Then another thing is what we call extra grammatical items. Things like idiomatic expressions, phrasal verbs, figures of speech, proverbs. They are used in passages, is it not? So you need to understand them. Once you're able to pick out these elements, it will help you to understand the passage very well so that you can now answer very well. And that leads us to what we call procedure for handling comprehension in examination. what are the procedures that you have to adopt in order for you to answer questions and what get them correctly. Is that clear? Number one in the procedure is what you call is what read all the questions under the passage. Read questions. You understand? When you get to the comprehension passage, quickly read through the questions. Now, after having read the questions, read the passage for the first time, identifying the elements. And what would we say is the elements of a passage? We say the elements are what? Subject matter, theme, difficult words, extra grammatical word, items. So when you're reading that passage, make sure you are identifying these things. You understand? So having identified them, read the questions again. Is that clear? Having read the passage and identified all the elements, read the questions again. You see that when you read the question, you'll be able to do what? Assemble the what? Answers. You'll be able to do what? Assemble the answers. And we're going to practice this method using what? The 2006 JAM English on our computers. That's what we're going to do now. So you're going to pick yourself 2 per 1 computer. Let's do this practice immediately so that we can go forward. Thank you.